Hi, I'm Branka.
Hi, I'm Chad, and this is Lizzie.
Hi. Today we're going to show you how to achieve the Superdrug Ice Queen look. This is one of our advanced looks, but don't worry, it's still very achievable. To start with this look, I'm going to focus on the eyes first and then work around the skin and the contour. I've already prepped Lizzie's skin and I'm going to get started on the eyes first. I'm going to go in with a very light base and I'm going to blend that towards the crease, no higher. We're just going to blend the edges out. The main palette we're going to use for this look is the Maybelline Graffiti palette, and I'm going to be using a mixture of the top left and a bottom right. Apply the eyeshadow in a small circular motion just above the crease. We are now going to move on to the beautiful blues. I'm going to start with the lighter first and we're going to build up onto the darker shade. We want the eyes to look extremely long, so we're going to exaggerate the shape a lot further. And you're going to start in the creases, right into the corner, and you're going to work your way out. But going in with a slightly tighter brush and start building up our colour. We're going to go in with a deeper shade. We're going to mix the blue and the purple together and try and focus this product just above the crease and brush it out slightly. We're going to use a little bit of glitter glue. I've gone for nice holographic white for ice effect, and you're going to press that in. We're now ready to go back in with our dark blue, mixed with the purple. We're going to go right underneath the eye, and then we're going to take this back into the crease. This is the Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner, and we're going to go in the centre of the eye and wing it outwards towards the brow. That can be your guideline. You can also pop a little dot where you want to stop. To prep Lizzie's eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Primer. Now I'm going to apply the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. Go, nice zigzag motion. When I apply mascara, if I want to get a little bit closer to the lash line, I tend to use a eyeshadow brush. And just grabbing a little bit of the product, I'm going to go right into the lash line, almost touching our eyeliner. We're going to coat every single part of the eyelash. Now we're ready for the foundation. I will be using the Maybelline Superstay in the shade Ivory. It's a fantastic long wear foundation. Now we're ready for our Icy Contour. We're going to go in with our blue, and you want to contour all the hollows of the face. Nice circular motion. It's a lot easier to add than to take this pigment away. If you hold your brush nice and tight at the base, you can get a lot more control. Go back in with your blender and just slightly dab. This will help blend everything seamlessly. Once you're done most of your contour on the face, you want to start taking it down the jawline. We're going to do one quick swoop like this. I'm going to do the same on the other side, and you're going to blend this downwards. Once your contour is complete, we are ready to move on to our Diamond Glow Maybelline highlighter. This is a beautiful product. We're going to use it slightly different. I'm going to first highlight underneath the eyes, and this is going to be our template where we're going to stick our gems on. And we're going to pop that under. We're going to pop a little bit on our nose, top of Cupid's bow, work it on top of our cheekbones, and we're going to go above the brow bone. Now we're ready for our gems. I've got some very generic gems. Feel free to use anything you like. If you like extra hold, it's great to use some eyelash glue. I'm going to place this over our highlighter. Now we're ready to apply our glitter. I'm going to be using the Paint Glow Chunky Glitter. This is pre-mixed and super easy to apply straight on top of your makeup. Layer on top of your gems with your chunky glitter. We're going to go top of the eyebrows, and you want to fill in all the gaps between the gems. I'm now going to go in with a slightly finer glitter. I'm going to keep this to a diamond shape. Now we're going to go back in with the Paint Go Kaleidoscope, and we're going to pop this underneath the jawline and blend it down. And we're going to layer this in Disco Fever. For the lips, I will be using the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Ink Settle for more. We're going to use the sharp edge to outline the lips. You're going to start in the centre, do your Cupid's bow. You're going to work from edges in, and then you're going to go in and colour the full lip in. Makeup done, now we're ready for hair.
Wow, Lizzie, you look amazing. So, Lizzie's arrived with a great texture going through her hair. I'm going to show you a really simple step of just enhancing the hair that's there with the tong, and then I'm going to talk you through which products to use. So to finish off Lizzie's hair, now that we've tonged it, I'm going to use the Style Expertise Surf Spray. This is a great product for applying texture throughout the hair and also giving us a little bit more width and texture ready for when we apply the crown. I'm going to use the Superdrug Studio paddle brush now, just to tease throughout the hair, creating a wider texture and giving us that slight bit more of a tousled look, which I think will complement the makeup really nicely. Right, Lizzie, I think it's time to get you dressed.
That's our ice queen look complete. Don't forget to check out Superdrug YouTube for more looks and tutorials.